I grew up in Los Angeles, California, South Central, Crenshaw District. My mom, because, she taught me how to be a man at an early age. She suffered with cancer. Not only did I have to take care of her, by me being the oldest, I had two brothers, so I had to take care of them by cooking. And so she taught me how to pay bills, do banking, I used to chuckle because a lot of media, they don't talk about Black History Month until the end of the month, or you hear about Black History Month and they talk about Martin Luther King's "I Have a Dream" speech, which is a very good, very, well-spoken and delivered speech. But there's so much more, But actually Black History Week, month, it started as Black History Week. A lot of people don't know that, but in the 60s, it became Black History Month, which is, yay. It just so happens to be the shortest month of the year, but hey, we'll take it. Again, I'd say that would be an eclectic number of leaders. I'd say Dr. Martin Luther King, of course, Malcolm X, I love his drive and his love for Black people. And there's a female, there's a book written about her called Sada. She was also a Black Panther. She wasn't a leader, but she was an activist. And she was a strong-willed, strong-minded woman. She persevered through a lot. She, just like Martin Luther King, she put in jail, for speaking her mind, like Angela Davis, Being Black in America, I think we're free people. We're just, I think we're imprisoned within ourselves, because we still hold on to some history things, although we don't have equality, I'd say we're free. We have to do everything for ourselves. Nothing's given to us, nothing's gonna be given to us. We have to do it all for ourselves. Like I say, self-inspired, I have to achieve to be better than my associates. Me as a Black business owner, I have to outshine. I have to, everything, all T's have to be crossed, all the I's have to be dotted, My life has been that way, so I have to, I have to look at, going into a franchise, with the same eyes. I would advise every morning when you wake up, stick to your plan. Before you go to bed, make your plan. That way, when you get up in the morning, you get your coffee or your breakfast or whatever, and then, as soon as you get out of that bed, both feet on the ground, hit it running, hit it hard. I heard about OctoClean because I was looking for a franchise to get into. I've always wanted to be a business owner. Or I chose OctoClean because it's family oriented. I looked at some other cleaning companies and, they're all the same. But, OctoClean I think is a little more unique because it's family based. And, being here a few years, I still feel that. Believe in yourself, make your plan. Don't wake up every day just, what am I gonna do today? Plan your life. Although, tomorrow's never promised, but you live your life as if it is, you know, and stick to your plan. Because of, you know, the black on black crime, the crimes against blacks, you know, as far as, you know, even back to slavery times when they were lynching us, you know, you don't know what tomorrow, you know, you get up today, you don't know what this afternoon's going to be. You know, you could find yourself in a situation where, you know, you have a gun drawn on you. I have a perfect example. One day I went to the DMV to register my truck I've had for about 12 or 14 years at the time. And I got pulled over by a police officer. So as he came to the, you know, I rolled the window down, he asked me for my driver's license and my registration. So I reached to my right to get the driver's license, and he pulled a gun out, stepped back in the middle of the street, told me keep my hands up and don't move. And at that point, I was thinking, wow, is this gonna be it? It was a scary moment, but hey, I'm still here. What we can all do to honor Black history is share your knowledge culturally, educate your kids, you know, even the non-blacks, you know, your friends, you know, sitting down having a beer, you know, talking about cars and women or, you know, sports. Talk about a little history, you know, share a piece of you.